Okay everyone, so now we are going to make the program to find area of circle. So first of all, in the Java, we make the class. So here we are starting with the class. Let's say the name of class we are giving is area. So here we are having is the body of this class. Inside the body we are having is the main function, which is public. So public means it can be accessed outside. Then static signify that its object is not required, means class object is not required to access the main function. So here is the static. Then void means no return type, and main is the driving function. Inside the main we are having is the string args. So here we are passing the string argument. So Java take input in the form of string arguments. So here is the body of main function. Now inside the body of main, first of all we are asking user to enter the radius, because the circle area is based upon the radius. So here we are saying system dot out dot print. So that means we are going to print on the screen. This print function is the part of output stream, which is the part of system. So system.out.print, and here we are providing /n for the new line, enter radius. So here we are asking user to provide the radius. Now we are just closing the bracket. So here the radius we want in some variable. So for that we has to declare the variable. So here we are using that, let's say int. So integer data type, and R stands for the radius. So we are taking the R is the radius of integer type. So R is a variable of integer type. Now here we are going to take the input. For taking the input we has to use scanner. So in the Java, first of all we has to import the package. So we are saying that import. Just like in C and C++ we are having the header file, similarly in Java we are having the packages. So here import java.util. So this is the utility package dot scanner. So here scanner is the class. So through this scanner class we can take out the input from the user. So here first of all we have to make the object of this scanner class. So here we are saying scanner S is the object of scanner class, is equal to new scanner. So this object we have created. In the bracket we are passing system.in. That means this is the input stream. So from the system input stream, this scanner is going to take the input, and here S is the object. Now we are going to take the input from the user. So here we are saying R, which is the radius, is equal to, using the scanner object S, so S dot next int. So here we are going to take the integer input. Now afterward we are going to provide the area. So for the area we need to take one variable. So here we are going to take one variable that is of, let's say, double. We know that double contain floating point values. So let's say double A. So A is the area. Now we are going to find the area. Area is equal to pi r square. We know that pi r square. So let us suppose that we are also declaring one variable pi and initializing its value, let's say 3.14. So here pi is equal to 3.14. So area is equal to pi into r into r. So pi r square is the area. Now we are going to display this area to the user. So system.out.print. So using this we are going to print on the screen. If you want the next line, you can provide the println. So here we are using the /n for the next line. Then area of circle. So area of circle we are providing, and here we are going to concat with the variable. So for the concatenation we are having is the plus sign. So A is the variable we are concatenating. Now we are going to save this program. So go in the file, then save as. So here on the desktop we are having a folder whose name is Ankit. So in the Ankit folder we are there. Now we are going to provide the name same as the class name. The class name is area. So here area dot java. This is the file name. Here we are selecting the all files so that it should be saved as the Java file, then save. Now we are going back and checking. So here inside our folder we are having is the area.java. Now we are going to compile this code. So first of all, we have to go on the path where our folder is placed. So here we are going on the CD desktop. We know that on the desktop we are having our folder. So now CD for the change directory. Then here we are going on the Ankit. So we are inside the Ankit folder. Inside that we are having is the area.java. So we are writing javac. So javac means compiling. So javac is a compiler. Then area.java. So this is the name of file. Then enter. We can see that there is no error encounter. That means code successfully converted to the bytecode. So now we can see that here we are having is the class file. So our class file is created. This is the bytecode which is created. So here we are now running this code. So we are writing java area. So press enter. Now we can see that it is asking us for the radius. So enter radius. Let's say the radius we are providing is 10. Press enter. So we can see that area of circle is 3140. Now we are understanding that how this code is working. So here first of all we have created the source file, or we can say that source code whose name is area.java. So here the area.java, that file we have saved inside the Ankit. So here Ankit is the folder on the desktop. So first of all we are going on the desktop by saying change directory desktop. So here we are in the desktop. Then change directory Ankit. So we are on to the Ankit. Now we are saying javac. Javac is a compiler. Area.java. Here we are doing the compilation. So we have compiled the code. Now afterwards successfully it is compiled. Then afterward java area. That means we are going to run the code. So when we have compiled the code, at that time the Java file is converted to the class file. So here what was inside that Java file? So here first of all import means importing the package which is java.util. So util is the package which contains a scanner. Scanner is a class. So here this class is the part of util package. Now inside the program we have created the class which is class area. Java code is the part of class. So here we have to mandatory to provide the class. Now inside that we are having is the public means accessed outside. Static. This main function is the part of area class, and we know that to access any of the member of class we need to create object of class. But here we are providing static. That means class object is not required. We can access the main function directly. Then void means no return type. Main is a driving function. It is accepting the input in the form of string argument. Inside the main function we are having is a scanner. Scanner is going to take the input from the user. So that object is created which is S. So scanner S is equal to new scanner. In the bracket we are passing the system.in. This is the input stream. That means taking the input from the user through the input stream. We are going to declare one variable of integer type. So int r. So here one variable is declared. Let's say that is of memory address 301. Then is double. So one more variable is declared which is of double type, and here a. So a is the variable, assuming that the memory address is 401. Then pi. So one variable pi is declared. Here this pi, let's say the address is 501. Now here we are initializing the value of pi equal to 3.14. So the value of pi is 3.14. It is containing the decimal value because it is of double type. Now afterward we are having is the system.out.print. So printing on the user screen /n for the new line, enter radius. So here after running the code we are having is the one line gap because of this /n. Then enter radius. So on the user screen we have the message enter radius. Afterward r is equal to s dot next int. So here s S is the object of scanner, and here next int is the function. So here in the scanner we have the function next int. So through S we are going to call this function, which is going to take the integer input. So integer input given by the user is 10. So that is taken and stored to the R. So here inside the R we have stored that is 10. Now afterward we are having is the A is equal to pi into R into R. We know that the value of pi is 3.14. So 3.14 into the value of R, which is 10. So that is 10 into 10. So 2 times 10 we have taken, and that is equal to 314. So here this 314 is going and stored into A. So here A 314 is going. A is of double type. Double means containing the decimal value. That's why the 0 is applied. So dot 0 is applied. Now afterward system.out.print. So here printing on the screen selection for the new line. So on the new line we are having the one line gap. Then area of circle. So here area of circle displayed on the user screen. Plus for the concatenation A. In the A we have stored 314.0. So here 314.0 is shown. So this is how we can find area of circle in Java.